So we're in a 5-star hotel. It's in front of Haeundae Beach, the most beautiful beach in Korea. So very once in a lifetime itong experience natin. Chinek ko guys sa Klook, nasa 15,000 to 20,000 yung one night dito. This is the city view. Kung magbubusan kayo guys, if I were to choose between the two kung saan ako mag-stay, I believe kung babalik ako, Haeundae Beach. Ito guys yung adapter na binigay sa atin. Napakalaki. So the hotel is really giving big things. Guys, ang ganda. Very demure na naman ang ating breakfast. We don't really eat rice sa umaga. Anyong. Grandioso. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Busan, South Korea. This is actually our last day in Busan. And I feel hindi kumpleto itong ating series of vlogs kung hindi ko kayo itutour sa ating 5-star room. So we're in a 5-star hotel. It's in front of Haeundae Beach, the most beautiful beach in Korea. So very once in a lifetime itong experience natin. Kaya gusto ko ding i-share sa inyo yung mga hotel na pagsistayan natin. Kasi again, kilala nyo naman ako. Nung nandito tayo sa Busan 2 years ago, nag-hostel lang tayo. Which is a nice experience din. Kasi yung hotel, tinutulugan lang din naman yun natin. We don't really stay here para mag-staycation but to explore. So tara guys. Wow. Yan yung corridor. And kunwari, first time natin itong bubuksan. Pero nagamit ko na talaga siya. So, welcome to our room! Dito muna tayo sa unang bungad sa atin, ang cabinet. And of course, lahat naman ng hotel ay may pa. Ay, nasaan yun? Ay. Yun, may pa-drawer. Pero hinahanap ko yung, tawag dito yung vault. I think, baka nandito. Yan, nandito pala yung vault. Ayan. Pero, di ko yan nagagamit, guys. Gumagamit ba kayo yan kapag nasa hotel kayo? So, ito yung malaking mirror. Nag-selfie-selfie na tayo dyan kanina. And yung CR nila, ang ganda. Very elegant ang datingan, ang kanyang atake. Tapos, what I like about this room, automatic yung kanilang toilet bowl. As in, so, tingnan nyo guys. It's very... I remember our experience in Japan. Pero marami na rin ganito sa Korea. Like, lahat ng napapagstayan natin na hotel, since Incheon, to Jeonju, to Mokpo, automatic yung kanilang toilet bowl. And then, ito naman, nagamit ko na siya. Oh my goodness. Yung bathtub. Hindi tayo nakapag-bathtub guys. As in, bathtub ligo talaga na we soak ourselves into the water. So, ginagawa lang natin siyang tapakan. And then this, of course, nagamit ko na din yung yung tawag dito, yung towel. Tapos may bathroom sila, dalawa. This room is for 2, I believe. So, chinek ko guys sa Klook, nasa 15,000 to 20,000 yung one night dito. I think magbabago pa yan, depende sa season, or basta depende kung may breakfast din kayo or wala. And ito, yung malaking TV. Tinay natin yung buksan kanina, pero hindi ko siya magets kasi tingnan nyo naman. Nakahanggul. Kasi HDMI yung lumalabas kanina. So, di ko sure kung ano yung click-click. Like, hindi agad siya sa channel. And ayan, we're leaving na talaga, Busan. Here, you can work here. Okay, di ko sure kung okay lang tong ginagawa kong room tour. Kasi, straightforward naman siya, 'di ba? Makikita nyo naman. And then this is the city view. Pero may rooms dito na yung view talaga, guys, ay yung Haeundae Beach. Pero ang ganda din. Colorful to at night. Ayun. 'Di ba? So, may telephone kanina. Nag-wake up call. Tapos may comment card sila dito. Okay. Ito, basta ito yung itsura niya. Alright? From this perspective naman, here we go. Natanong ko na din to sa ibang video, but you guys, are you a hotel, hostel, or guest house person? Comment down below. Charing. Kung magbubusan kayo guys, Tapos, nag-iisip kayo kung saan area kayo pwede magstay. Before, I stayed sa Nampu area, 2022. And then this time, we are in the Haeundae Beach. I think yung mga 5-star hotel talaga na marami nandito sa Haeundae Beach. Pero meron din naman dito mga budget na hostels, hotel, guest house. But if I were to choose between the two kung saan ako mag-stay, I believe kung babalik ako, Haeundae Beach. Kasi very alive sa gabi. Nakapag-night market tayo kagabi. Even at 12 midnight, 11 midnight, 11 p.m., may mga tao pa rin sa main street ng Haeundae Beach. Tapos of course, it's by the beach. It's by the sea. So, napakaganda ng view. Tapos 3 a.m., naglakad-lakad tayo, madaling araw. With Diana, our friend in Mexico, from Mexico, and then Ivan de Guzman. Baka may nanonood kay Ivan dito. So, nakasama natin si Ivan. Very random yun. Chinat ko siya, "Uy, Ivan, nandito ka pala sa Busan. Magkita naman tayo." Kahit alam kong tight yung schedule nating dalawa. Pero ako, I really made sure na, shucks, dapat magkita kami ni Ivan. Nakilala ko lang siya sa Clue Creators Award. So, pero parang tagal lang yung magkakilala, ganun yung vibe. Dito din siya nagstay sa may Haeundae Beach. Tapos yung room niya may view ng beach. Nakita ko sa IG story niya. So, yun, may clock din dito, guys, to remind us kung late na tayo. Makakapag-breakfast pa tayo. Tara, guys, samahan niyo ko mag-breakfast. Share ko lang pala, guys. Humiram ako ng adaptor. Kasi 'di ba, yung saksakan dito sa Korea itong mga tawag dito, itong mga plug bang tawag dito? Pero basta yung mga saksakan dito sa Korea, hindi naman compatible dito. Wala akong adaptor. So, ito guys yung adaptor na binigay sa atin. Napakalaki. So the hotel is really giving big things. Ayan. Share ko lang, guys. We're halfway of our 10-day trip. Tapos, lalo na kagabi nung nakauwi na tayo sa hotel, nakaramdam na ako ng sipangs. Kasi, di ko sure kung kailan ulit ito mangyayari yung mga itong bagay. Napaka-OA ni Akla. Pero, diba, experiencing these good things like for free because hindi naman ako gagastos. Kasi yung hotel na to, guys, sinerge ko sa Klook, nasa 15,000 to 20,000 siya. Like, pwede na siyang buong Korea trip ko na 5 days or 3 days. And then, of course, this kind of opportunity to be with other K-creators who are really good people. Tapos, my gosh, I feel so honored. Kasi, in terms of, following, sila, ang laki ng mga following nila, guys. And then, I am just here, a humble content creator, like, experiencing these things with them. Pero nakakatuwa kasi walang may hangin sa kanila. Lahat sila very humble, mababait. Kaya, kailan kaya ulit itong mangyayari? This kind of beautiful thing. Kahapon sa Arte Museum, naluluha-luha din ako kasi nakita ko, it was an immersive experience. So, nakita ko yung parang LED na may fireworks, view ng bridge. Basta ang ganda. So, this experience, it's something that I will really treasure. Like, habang buhay ko siyang dadalhin. Yeah. So, thank you, Lord. And thank you, KTO. We've experienced this one. Parang everyday I'm really thankful na nakasama ako dito. So, I really make the most out of this trip. Ayun, yun lang mga... Actually, morning na, shenanigans natin. So, gumising lang ako na. Yun yung mga nararamdaman natin. So, this inspires me to really work harder to be able for me to do things in travels na hindi niisip masyado yung gastos. But, of course, itong experience na to, pinaka nice for me ay yung makasama yung different content creators more than the luxury. And learning from them, getting to know them, people from all over the world. Kasi kung napapanood yun naman yung mga vlogs ko, yun din yung mga sinasabi ko na I love meeting new people. Yun. Thank you, guys! Tari, guys, meron pala ditong pa-blinds, no? So, kung may kasama kayo, masisilip kayo. Charing. For sure naman, sasama nyo naman dito yung mga jowa nyo, pamilya nyo. That's okay. Kung friends, it's okay as well. Kung sanay naman kayong magpakitaan. Charing. Walang mali siya. Pero alam nyo guys, dito sa Korea, it's taboo for them, not really normal na yung girl and boy na hindi magjowa ay magsama sa isang room. Yun, medyo na-judge tayo ng Korean colleagues natin nung nasa Seoul tayo kasi hindi sila sanay sa ganon. Tara, breakfast na tayo, 8:04 na. Bye-bye to our hotel rooms. Uli na rin natin itong adapter. Hi. Goodbye to our hotel room na talaga. Hi, thank you Lord for this experience, opportunity. Let's go. Grandioso. Tara. Meron ditong private lounge. Maganda yung view dyan, as in view ng dagat. And then, ito yung elevator. Pakita ko sa inyo itsura ng elevator. Pababa tayo dahil tayo ay mag-brekkie. Pak. Di muna ako nagsalita kasi akala ko may tao. Wait lang. Lower floor. Lobby. Ang L by lower floor. Lobby. Lobby pala. Lobby palang meaning ng L. So, meron silang spa, area, lunch bar, Seoul Auction Busan. Ay, wait, nakakaya. Stop na natin ito. May papasok. This is the lobby. Sa uli muna natin to, tapos i-store muna natin yung luggage natin dyan. Hi. Ganda. Guys, ang kabog. Ganito ang feeling sa 5-star hotel. We have 20 minutes to enjoy our breakfast. Ang ganda. Wow. Wow. Hey Jade, can I sit here? Yeah. 감사합니다. Wow, beautiful. Ganda. Guys, ang ganda. Ito lang, quick glimpse ng mga pagkain dito. May paham, may mga meat, cold cuts. There's a lot. Hash browns. Ito mga dumplings, dim sum. Ito very Korean to guys. Wow. Ito yogurt. Yan yung kunin natin later. And then of course yung mga drink. Very demure na naman ang ating breakfast. We don't really eat rice sa umaga. Alyong. Really? Very demure. You didn't know that? Very demure. Very cutesy. Ah, you know that? Okay. They know that. So, very demure guys yung ating breakfast. Ito lang. Di talaga tayo heavy. Breakfast. Hello. And then water. And then yogurt. And then this view. Umuulan. It's nice. It's cozy. It's cozy. It's cozy guys. Tara. Let's eat guys. Lombok. In Bali. And my kids dito sa gilid. They're so cute. Let's first try the homemade ham because this is something that we haven't tried here. Kapag mga creators talaga, ganon. Delish. Ganda ng lobby, no? Ayan, nag-check out na tayo guys and we have to leave. Ayun, ating quick tour sa ating 5-star hotel dito sa Busan. Hindi na tayo nakapagpa-picture sa beach, pero naglakad-lakad naman tayo nung morning. Nung madaling araw kahapon. Umuulan, dito lang muna ako sa loob. You have 2 luggages, right? You can do it. You're a strong woman. So guys, this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Ang kabog naman, grandiosong. Lakas maka 5-star hotel.